Hello everyone. This video will teach you how to mint your Astrobot. This is a fairly simple process, but we at Token Metrics want to walk you through it step by step. So the first thing you're going to do is go to metamask.io and you're going to download this extension. So I'm going to click on download here. And then it's going to take me to this page. I'm going to add it to my browser. And then it's going to take me to this page. And then I'm going to click get started. And I'm going to, now if you already have a wallet, you can import your wallet to Metamask by using your seed phrase here. So for those of you who are whitelisted, you could do this option. Now, if you don't have any wallet at all that's non-custodial, so you're going to create a new wallet here. So I'm going to go through this step. So I'm going to click create a wallet here. And I'm going to enter a password. And then I'm going to agree. And I'm going to click create here. And then I'm going to go here and get the seed phrase. Now, be very careful about the seed phrase because you don't want to share this with anybody. This will give anybody access to your funds if they know your seed phrase. So don't save this on the computer. Don't screenshot this. Write this down and store this in a safe place. Okay? So you don't want to share this with anybody since this would give them access to your funds. So as soon as you are done writing this down, we're going to go to the next step, which is verifying your seed phrase. So I'm going to now click on the next button here. And now I'm going to go through the same process of how I wrote it down. So I'm going to do it in that order here. And after that's done, I'm going to click confirm here and voila, our wallet has been created. So now, since it's a new wallet, we're going to have to buy Ethereum because Astrobot is going to be tradable with Ethereum. So we're going to need to buy some Ethereum here. Now, keep this in mind. I know a lot of you, like to buy from an exchange. If you're going to buy from an exchange, it's going to take 3 to 5 business days to transfer over. So if knowing the amount of time it is to mint an Astrobot, you want to make sure you get it in time. So I would be able to get the Ethereum today by going to MoonPay here. So I'm going to click here on MoonPay, and it's going to take me to this new page here. And then, you can verify your email and all that stuff. And you're going to need to have this certain amount of Ethereum. So if you're whitelisted, you're going to need to have 0.35 and have enough to cover gas. So to be safe, I would have 0.40. Right? If you are whitelisted, if you're on the wait list, I would put 0.45 since it costs 0.40. And if you're on the public sale, I would hit 0.50, right? So since on the wait list, I would put 0.40 here. Okay. And then I'm going to hit continue here to purchase the Ethereum. And then you enter your card information, all that stuff. And then it would deliver it to specifically to the address that you created. And you're going to hit agree here, and then you're going to hit pay here. And then after when you do that, when the Ethereum it's going to be verifying that you paid, and it's going to send the Ethereum to a wallet. As soon as that's done, you'll be able to mint your Astrobot NFT. Where are you going to go to mint? None other than the Astrobot Society website, which will be astrobot.tokenmetrics.com. And then now it's going to take you to this page here. You're going to click on the mint here. And then this is where you're going to be able to mint. It's not available right now because as I'm recording this video, it's not available to mint yet. It will be available to mint for those whitelisted on September 10th at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So as soon as that becomes available, you'll be able to mint it here. Your NFT, it's going to be available for you to see on OpenSea. So you're going to go to here, OpenSea.io, okay? And then you're going to click on your profile, connect to your MetaMask. And as soon as it's connected, it's going to show you your Astrobot NFT. You'll be able to sell the current Astrobot you have to the secondary market, to anybody who wants to buy it. You would also be able to buy someone else's Astrobot. Let's say it has a different subscription and you wanted to have that subscription. You can buy it directly on OpenSea. So that is the tutorial. And I thank you for tuning in and you have a great day.